my beautiful friend, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. Today's video I'm going to do a small unboxing. I have not done unboxing for quite a while now, and this item was really unexpected and I'm so excited to share with you what I got. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and be a part of my YouTube family. Let's get into the video. So I got something from, you guys already see a little bit of green here. I got something from Bottega Veneta. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to share with you guys what I got. This is my first item from Bottega. I don't have anything from them. I'm super excited to add this item into my collection. Let's get into it. Oh my goodness, it comes in this little pouch. And they said that they don't do the box, and I didn't ask them why, because when he was wrapping these things around, I was so busy playing with their shoes and other bags, and so I didn't ask them why. But anyways, it's in this plastic pouch here, plastic or paper, like, you know, and this is in this pouch. So I have not opened yet. I got it this last week. This is a paper. Do you guys guess what's inside here? And this is inside this dust bag. I love their green color. It's so pretty. It's pretty green. And I am so excited to have these things in my collection. Here is my Bottega Veneta padded bag. Look at this, how beautiful is this? And did you guys guess that I didn't pick the black one? They have so many beautiful color in this bag, and oh my goodness, I love every single color. I love those pastel purple, green, orange, all different kind of colors, but I decided to choose beige because I think beige is gonna be like all year round, like while the pastel colors like more like spring color, and I felt like this is gonna be all year round, and also this color will go with every single outfit. So I chose the beige bag, and I do not have that many beige bags. I have one, my Coco handle, and now I have, yes, this one. So definitely this is so pretty, and this is so soft. This feels like a fluffy, like I don't know, so fluffy and so soft. It's just so pretty and very light too. I like their bag with the big gold chain, but when I tried that one, it was very heavy, so I don't think so I would ever like to carry the heavy bags. And definitely this has a gold hardware and very simple. It does not scream like Bottega. It's very simple bag. Only you can see a little bit something is this little triangle gold hardware here, right here. That's it. You can't see anything anywhere. It's like a Bottega, you know. When you open it, you just push this bag down and it will open. And so this is how it looks inside, and there is a two compartment here, one in the front and then the back here, and there is a zipper in the middle here. And I don't think so, no, you cannot remove the strap. So yes, this is how it looks, but you can adjust the strap here. There is a hole, different holes, so you can adjust according to your height. So this is how it looks, and I love the crossbody body bag. Everything crossbody, I love it because I love to wear crossbody. Any of my bag, I always wear crossbody, so this bag is so perfect. And let's see, this is how it looks, and this is perfect size for me because I do not like to carry too many things in my bags anyways, and this bag usually like I'm gonna carry on the weekend, so I can have like my driver license, my card in a small card holder, and my mask and small hand sanitizer. That's it, and this is good enough. Like I had the smallest bag, and sometimes when I go out in the weekend, I don't even have nothing in my bag. So I don't plan to carry this bag like, you know, with my work or anything. I'm just planning to carry this bag while I go to out in the weekend, and this is gonna be my weekend nice bag. And this is so soft and nice, and I love the wave design here. It's so pretty and it's so soft and fluffy. If you have never filled this bag, that I highly recommend you to go and fill this bag. Like, this is so like fluffy bag. And also I think this bag is very classy. It doesn't have too big logos and anything except this triangle here, but when you do the crossbody, you can't even see this triangle here, like, you know, I can't. Oh, you can see, like, I usually carry the bag like this way, so you can see a little triangle here, gold, but there's nothing you can see. There is a Bottega here on the side, but on the side, not like in the front of the triangle. So if you like something like a very simple, not too much like, you know, like logos and anything, that this is a very classic bag. And I never own anything from Bottega. This one is actually my husband. He forced me to buy this bag. Like, I love this bag, but I was not thinking to buy right now, because I told you guys that I am planning not to buy too many bags or anything this year. But he told me that I need this into my collection, and so, well, here she is, and she's very gorgeous. I actually wanted to buy that their original color, baby blue one. I love that color, and my essay told me that not to buy that one because they used a different leather, because it was the first time, so they used different kind of leather, and now they use a different kind of leather. The one they use in that blue bag leather is more very much like wrinkle, and he suggested me to buy the new version one. So, and they have so many beautiful colors. I will insert the pictures here, and it just, I wish that I can have like all that color, but you know, I'm not that, like, I'm not gonna buy like all that color. So I chose the one that will stay forever and goes with every single month. So here is my beautiful padded cassette bag from Bottega. By the way, it doesn't have nothing, no pocket in the bag. That's okay. And this is a very good size. If you are planning to buy this bag, then the time. And here is my bag. I'm so happy for this. I can show you that how it looks on me. And here's my beautiful Bottega bag. This is how the bag looks like, and this is perfect for my height, and I love the way you can do crossbody here. And this looks so pretty. And this bag is not very heavy. It's very, very, very light. When I put it like this, it feels so light. Or if you are going out in the night, carry like this. See? I can't wait to style this bag. This is such a beautiful bag. That's all for today's video, guys. If you like this kind of video, unboxing, fashion, lifestyle, then make sure you do thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be a part of my YouTube family. I love you guys. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.